Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best grappling hooks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ruipu grappling hook. The Ruipu grappling hook is the survival tool you didn't know you needed. When you have a conversation about survival essentials, the grappling hook rarely comes up. Most people think of it as something that belongs in action movies and an ice climber's toolkit, but it can be used in a number of different ways. This super strong grappling hook is made from premium stainless steel, SUS 304, and has carbon steel claws, ASTM 1050. This design gives it a maximum load-bearing weight of up to 1,102 pounds. Because it's so strong, you can use the hook for a multitude of applications. You could use it as a makeshift car tow, an anchor for a boat, an extra strong attachment point for a tent, and much more. Of course, it's primarily designed for climbing and can be used to climb trees, rocks, and ice. You just need to buy some extra strong rope and you're good to go. If you're venturing out into the wilderness, we strongly recommend adding a Ruipu grappling hook to your pack. Moving on at number 4, we have the Tightener GR5 Mini Grappling Hook. Our final grappling hook model and yet one of the consumer's favorite is the Tightener GR5 Mini Grappling Hook. Don't be deceived by the mini in its name. It works just as efficiently as a regular-sized hook, and it has many positive reviews online as proof. This multifunctional survival hook is a must-have piece of your survival gear. It is highly resistant to water and also boasts of leak-proof and liquid-proof features which further enhance its durability. It is manufactured with care and precision from titanium, heavy-duty material with high resistance to rust and regular impact. Making use of this device is easy and doesn't require any form of extra skill. It can be a great conversation starter for those who aren't ardent fans of the outdoors and can work wonders for your fishing sessions when included in your fish tackle box. The Tightener hook has extra sharp claws that grasp onto items quickly and steadily. These claws are stored in an included container which is waterproof and is versatile in use, as it can accommodate your valuables and handy items ranging from cash to pills and keys. It doesn't matter the kind of outdoor activity you're hoping to undertake, be it hiking, hunting, mountaineering or fishing, we can guarantee that the best grappling hook will do an excellent job as a wedge or hook. It requires no assembly and comes at a budget-friendly rate, which makes it a favorite among consumers all across the world. Grappling hooks are amazing survival tools. Thus, having the best versions which feature premium materials and robust construction guarantees your safety and how much of the outdoor you can enjoy. At number 3, we have the Hanwuo Claw Grappling Hook. Countless brands are manufacturing grappling hooks in recent time, but none can compare to our next brand. Grappling hooks by design take care of a lot of issues and also help us make our exploration antics to higher levels. They are used as multifunctional tools for a wide range of outdoor activities such as gaining traction on icy surfaces, yanking down tree limbs, hauling items out of a body of water or anchoring your fishing kayak. For all these activities and many more, the grappling hook becomes your necessary handy tool. Our next grappling hook is an impressive model created and distributed by one of the trusted brands in the market, Hanwuo. They are a company that believes in excellence in both function and design, thus, they don't compromise on any of these while creating their masterpieces. We introduce you to the Hanwuo Outdoor Grappling Hook, referred to by many as flying tigers, climbing claws, and climbing hooks. This model is one of the best found today. It is put together by a group of experts and professionals who understand the strength of materials and how such forces determine the functionality of the unit. They have built this grappling hook from premium stainless steel, also known as spring steel, and this material is passed through the cast molding construction process to create a hook which is highly resistant to impact, rust and damage. The construction process it has to endure includes high temperatures, and claw oil quenching done to increase its wear resistance and also make it more suitable for the environment. At number 2, we have the TEC Accessories RETREEV Mini Grappling Hook Retrieval Tool. Grappling hooks exist in a wide variety of designs and sizes, with each one made to fulfill a different need. The various applications encourage all brands to step up to the task and create several options of hooks that will entice their loyal customers and also invite new and potential buyers into investing in their brand. All across the world, one brand stays true to the quality and affordability of their products, no matter how sophisticated the technology they include is. We can guarantee that once you choose this grappling hook model, every outdoor application you wish to use it for will be smooth and more enjoyable. Do away with stress while on an adventure by getting the TEC Accessories RETREEV Mini Grappling Hook, another great product we recommend for the explorer in you. Gone are the days where you had to get different hooks for different occasions. Now with this mini grappling hook from TEC Accessories, all your hook worries have been put to rest. This is one of the most significant grappling hooks in the history of hooks, put together by fellow explorers who have a deep understanding of what is required to make that outdoor trip more memorable. This hook helps you do a lot of things without much effort, some of which include grabbing metal objects, retrieving any misplaced items, helping your kid get their stuck toy from the tree, and grabbing onto handy things. Its functionality is extremely impressive, and for this, it has a lot of positive reviews on the internet. This grappling hook looks small initially, but it works just as well as any regular grappling hook, if not better. And finally at number 1, we have the Cyfie Grapnel. The Cyfie Grapnel, around $7, come in 3 sizes, the smallest of which can support up to 88 pounds, and the largest of which can accommodate as much as 276. They are handmade and heat-treated to ensure their strength and quality is consistent. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.